Good evening, everyone. This is an update on the 64 Impala project. This is a pre-paint video. I got all the bodywork finally done on this. I've laid down the primer and block sanded it out. It's all nice and smooth and flat, wet sanded, ready to rock. I've back masked. I'm just going to go back over the masking and get on it right away here. There should be another video follow-up shortly, so just bear with me. I ended up having to go back and block sand, like I said, a few times because I just wasn't happy with myself, and I'm glad I did. I know the whole car needs a respray, it really does, but might as well do as good a job as the factory did, and it turned out pretty good. So that's all I have to say, really. It didn't take a whole lot of filler at all, like I said in previous videos. I don't know if I did or not, but I did all the body work with very little heat introduced into the sheet metal, so warp was just kept to a minimum. And that's all it took, is just a bit of patience with a welding procedure. And you got to have time and patience for that type of thing. Yeah, but other than that, everything went well. Again, there was no adhesion problems with the filler or the what do you call it, primer that I've used, and everything's good so far. I did go back and close up a gap here because I didn't really like the way the one of the gaps was here, so I would come in here and welded it all up instead of using body filler, and made it look nice and square. Yeah, other than that, we're good to go. I'll shoot some color and hopefully we get a video out again here in the next maybe day or two. Well, we'll see how everything goes and how my schedule goes. But again, thank you for watching, and hopefully you have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye.